Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Here's a text effect where the letters are overlapping and each one of them is in front of the other letter, but they all have the same interactive fill tool. And if you can see that these letters are behind each other, or this one's the last, second, third, fourth one. So we're going to do it to this. I'm going to take my shape tool and I'm going to grab this right here and I'm going to put all the letters touching each other. The effect might not be as good as the one, let me make it the whole thing bigger, as the text, but it might still look pretty cool. Then get your interactive fill tool and swipe across. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put yellow on this end and red on the other end. That doesn't look like anything special, but when we go to object and break the text apart, look at that. It put each letter apart, but it gave it the same interactive fill tool. Effects doesn't look as good because the two E's and the F and the F, but let's, you know what, let's just do a different word. I'm going to use epilogue, like epilogue laser. I'm a big epilogue laser fan. I've had two of them and I love them both. I'm going to bring this in. Yeah, this will look a little cooler. Maybe not so much with the L, but then get the interactive fill tool. And to get all of the letters to look the same, this is pretty amazing. So I'm going to put yellow on this end. Whoop, I missed it. And then I'm going to put red in this end. And then the only other thing you have to do is take the letters and go to object and break the epilogue apart. And look at that. Once again, it's not as cool as a lot of letters because the I and the L. But you know, you could still maybe even move that out of the way a little bit. But you know, that kind of defeats the purpose. So the text is a really good example. So maybe it won't work on every word or every text, but you could hold down the control button and bring this X in a little bit more and then bring this T in and you can see it's on top. It's a neat effect. I don't know, I'm not a printer, so I don't know what it would look like printed, but it'd have to look pretty good. Anyway, give that a try and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.